In the ever-evolving world of portable sound, TRIBIT raises the bar with the StormBox Lava Portable Bluetooth speaker. Designed to deliver exceptional power, immersive clarity, and rugged versatility, this speaker is more than just a party companion. It's a portable powerhouse engineered for audiophiles, adventurers, and everyday listeners alike. Whether you're hosting an outdoor party, exploring the wilderness, or simply jamming out in your living room, TRIBIT StormBox Lava Speaker delivers a bold and immersive sound experience that's hard to match in this price range. Adventure-proof by design, the StormBox Lava comes with a certified IP67 rating, making it completely dust-tight and water-resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It's the ideal companion for everything from beach trips and pool parties to rugged hiking trails. Rain or shine, sand or snow, this speaker thrives in the elements. The TRIBIT StormBox Lava is an all-in-one portable Bluetooth speaker that refuses to compromise. With monster sound, rugged outdoor-ready design, smart connectivity, and day-long battery life, it sets a new standard for the premium portable speaker category. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.4, you get faster pairing, more stable connections, and energy efficiency for long listening sessions. And with the TRIBIT app, you can fully customize your audio experience. Adjust 10 individual EQ bands to fine-tune your sound. Whether you're boosting bass for EDM, enhancing vocals for podcasts, or balancing treble for acoustic sets. Despite its serious power, the StormBox Lava never sacrifices convenience. It features a detachable shoulder strap and a secondary handle strap, crafted for both comfort and practicality. Whether you're hiking to a mountain vista, setting up camp, or hosting a backyard BBQ, this speaker goes wherever the action is, with effortless portability and premium style. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. With up to 24 hours of non-stop playtime, the StormBox Lava ensures your music never stops. Whether it's a full-day picnic or an all-night celebration, this speaker delivers consistent performance. Plus, the integrated USB charging port allows you to top up your devices on the go, transforming it into a convenient power bank when you need it most.